Rivers are essential for life. They are fundamental elements of human survival and dwelling places to many biodiversity. Rivers are deemed significant to keep the country's ecological balance and sustainability. The Philippines has 412 principal river basins in 119 proclaimed watersheds. Of these, 19 are considered major river basins. In Central Luzon, rivers, lakes, and wetland areas provide water and fish to local communities, while serving as a migratory path and wintering area for Asian birds escaping the winter season in China, Korea, and Japan. The freshwater fish goby, Manila sea catfish or kanduli, pindanga, and igat or palos are just some of the fish species caught in these water bodies for food.
Our rivers play an important role in the progress of our society. In fact, major rivers like Euphrates and Tigris helped develop early civilizations. They served as vital sources of water and food, as well as provided reliable transportation system. Here in Central Luzon, we have the Pampanga River Basin. The 260-kilometer stretch Pampanga River Basin is the second longest river in Luzon, next to the Cagayan River, and the third longest river in the Philippines. Pampanga River is also the fourth longest in the country, next to the Agusan River in Mindanao. It traverses the province of Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Bulacan, which has a drainage area of about 1 million hectares. Its headwaters are located in the Sierra Madre mountain range and drains into the Manila Bay. Pampanga River supplies the irrigation of Central Luzon's agricultural land area, support the livelihood of the community, and provide different ecosystem services.
At its higher sections, there are two dams in the Pampanga River Basin. The Pantabangan Dam, located in Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija, and Angat Dam in Norzagaray, Bulacan. These are significant to the agriculture sector for the irrigation of the farms in the provinces of Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Tarlac. Bulacan, as a home to various rivers and dams, supplies water to Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Within Bulacan are three dams, the Angat, Ipo, and Bustos dams. Angat Dam, a hydroelectric dam, is the biggest of the three. It drains an aggregate area of 568 square kilometers, and it supplies 98% of all the water needs of more than 11 million residents of Metro Manila. Aside from these dams, Bulacan is likewise famous for its clear water and sandy riverbed found in Madlum River in Barangay Sibol in San Miguel Town, one of the biggest sources of fresh water in Biak na Bato National Park. In the province of Tarlac, two major water bodies are found, the Nambalan River and Canarem Lake. Found in Mayantok Town, the 7.2-kilometer-long Nambalan River is an ideal place for recreational activities and ecotourism. Canarem Lake, on the other hand, is located in the municipality of Victoria, traversing through the barangays of Canarem, San Agustin, and Bantog, with a total land area of approximately 116 hectares. This river is categorized as a strategic fisheries development zone and recreational zone due to the presence of endemic and exotic birds which usually flock to the lake during the winter months of November to February. Budding in the province of Nueva Ecija are two river bodies significant to the rice granary of the Philippines. Found in Gabaldon Town, the Dupinga River, formerly known as Sabani, is a remote paradise in the midst of the Sierra Madre Mountains in Nueva Ecija. The stunning view, green trees, and mountain set a beautiful landscape surrounding the river. Aside from being a source of irrigation to local farmers, Paitan Lake in Cuyapo Town likewise serves as a wintering area for migratory birds. Among the birds found in the lake are purple heron, common murren, cinnamon bittern, brown shrike, blue-tailed bee-eater, and barn swallow. Protection of these water resources are crucial to sustain its ecological values and ecosystem services. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, has reinforced its programs and policies and strengthened its stakeholder partnerships to sustain the ecological stability of the river systems in the region. It has engaged the private sector through its Adopt-A-Estero project to achieve a cleaner, safer, and healthier environment by cleaning up all the creeks that connect to the rivers and their tributaries. The Manila Bay Restoration Project, National Greening Program, concerted efforts focusing on ecological solid waste management, clean air and clean water, as well as public information and environmental education are all government actions to address the protection of river systems in Region 3. Rivers are truly the life and home of great biodiversity. The river is the cradle of civilization. Our life, our nature, everything begun here. Let us protect our rivers and other water bodies. Let us protect our environment. Save our rivers.